Imagine this. Ayşe, a 16-year-old student, discovers her grandmother's ancient cookbook hidden in the attic. But here's the twist. All the instructions are written in riddles, not directions. She decides she must decode them to enter a prestigious cooking competition. Little does she know, this journey will teach her more about her culture, her family, and English vocabulary than any classroom ever could. This is not just about food. This is about connection. Let's begin. Ayşe opens the first page. It reads, "This dish is savory, aromatic, and absolutely comforting. Made with fluffy scrambled eggs, vibrant red peppers, ripe tomatoes, and fragrant onions. The texture is creamy yet substantial. It's traditionally served piping hot with crispy bread on the side." Wait, that's not a recipe. That's a description. She realizes her grandmother was teaching her to describe food like a true chef. This Turkish breakfast masterpiece, called menemen, is the perfect teacher. She learns. Fluffy, aromatic, savory, vibrant, creamy, substantial, piping hot. These aren't just words. They're the language of culinary storytelling. The second page challenges her differently. This legendary dish has been perfected over 300 years. It's rich, slightly smoky, and incredibly tender. The lamb melts in your mouth. The spices are complex. You taste cinnamon, cloves, and something mysterious you can't quite identify. Every family guards their version like treasure. She's reading about Iskender kebab. But here's the shocking part. Her grandmother wrote a note in the margin. Ayşe, the secret isn't the ingredients. The secret is that every grandmother changes it slightly. Your version will be your masterpiece. Your grandmother's gift isn't a recipe. It's permission to make it yours. Suddenly, this competition isn't about winning. It's about understanding that tradition means evolution. She learns. Legendary, rich, smoky, tender, melts, complex, and more importantly, she learns about cultural connection. Here's your mission. And yes, there's a bonus twist. I'm going to give you 3 Turkish dishes. Your job is to describe them using at least 5 of these adjectives. Creamy, crunchy, silky, hearty, delicate, authentic, warming, fragrant. Ready? First, sig koft, traditionally made with bulgur, tomatoes, onions, and spices. No meat, but incredibly flavorful. How would you describe it? Second, baklava, thin pastry layers with pistachios and honey. Third, mercimek korbasi, red lentil soup that's a national comfort food. Don't just say, "It's good." Tell a story about how it tastes, feels, and makes you feel. That's advanced English. That's real communication. Competition day arrives. Ayşe doesn't win first place. But something better happens. The judges ask her about her family's unique variation. She describes it with the vocabulary her grandmother taught her. "Our menemen is extraordinary because my grandmother always adds fresh mint, which creates an unexpected herbaceous note. The eggs are velvety rather than fluffy, because she cooks them more slowly. When I eat it, I feel connected to my heritage." She used extraordinary, unexpected, herbaceous, velvety, connected. The judges give her a special award for authentic cultural innovation. And the real prize? Her grandmother's proud tears. She realizes that describing food isn't about impressing judges. It's about honoring stories, families, and traditions. Her English improved because her heart was invested in the story. Here's your assignment, and this will genuinely level up your English. Step 1. Find a traditional dish from your culture. Step 2. Describe it using at least 8 different adjectives. Not in Turkish, in English. Step 3. Film yourself describing it, or write a paragraph. Make it personal. Tell why it matters to you. Use past tense. My grandmother made it every Sunday. It was absolutely. Step 4. Share it in the comments. We're building a global community of learners who understand that language isn't just vocabulary. It's culture, story, and connection. Drop your dish description below. Include the hashtag level up your food story. Next video, we're diving into how to argue about food in English. Because Turks have opinions. See you there.